People on Instagram are making huge money from their posts, and it seems to be a big secret that most normal people don't know about. So let me break it down here and I'll show you how they do it, even without having an Instagram account at all. You see, people posting pictures like these when they're on holiday often link out to pages like Booking.com, Expedia, or other travel agent websites. Why do they do this, and how are they making money from this? And more importantly, how can you get a slice of this billion-dollar industry? Well, let me explain. What we're doing here is we're putting a new spin on an old business model that's been around since the early 1900s. We bring new customers to a company, and in return they give us a commission of the sale. Now, you've probably seen this system in place on sites like Amazon.com, Booking.com, TripAdvisor, eBay and Walmart. The problem with these sites is that the commission percentage is a mere 10% max, meaning that we would have to drive a huge amount of visitors to their site in order to make a decent amount of money. And that's not an easy thing. And this is only really achievable if you have a large following on places like Instagram. Now, with software and other digital products, the commission percentage is anything between 50 and 100%, meaning that we can make bigger money with less traffic, and we don't even need any type of following or even an Instagram account at all. Now, in order to make this work starting with $0, we need to drive free traffic to these softwares. And the magic really happens when we send this free traffic to a page where we offer additional incentives to this traffic to encourage them to buy via us and not via anybody else. This combination of free traffic to a simple incentives page works like a charm every single time. Now, since I discovered this neat little system, I've been using it on a daily basis, and it's accumulated me over $1 million profit, not revenue, profit, in the year 2019. Now, I've also given this system to 22 regular people to battle test. They all made at least $267 within their first few days. These people had zero experience online. They had zero previous technical experience, and they're also holding down regular 9-to-5 jobs, meaning that they did this in their spare time. Since my system has been battle tested and proven by these 22 individuals, I want to hand it over to as many people as I can, as during 2017, when I was broke and struggling, I made a promise to myself that one day, if I cracked the code to making good money online, I would share this to other strugglers to help them get out of their situation. Now, it will take me at least an hour to explain this system to the point where you can really understand how to find this free traffic and incentives and be able to implement this for yourself. And this is way too much time for this simple YouTube ad. So what I'd like to do is invite you to a free live training workshop that I'll be doing today, where I can break everything down for you and show you how my simple 3-step checklist made these 22 people $267 each on average within their first 3 days. Sound good? Cool. Well, go ahead and register for this live training workshop by clicking in the top right hand corner of the screen if you're watching on a mobile, or in the bottom left hand corner of the screen if you're watching from a desktop, and it will take you through to a page that looks something like this, where you can go and register for this call. If you're a bit skeptical, that's absolutely fine. But here's a bunch of people flashing across the screen now that I gave this system to, and they're all making at least 3 figures within their first 3 days. These people all clicked the link and have gone through to do the exact thing that you're looking to do right now. Look at all of these results. Figure out how they did it. Click the link. That's it.